Hello, it's me again over here at newlin gristmill, and the blacksmith is doing his thing. It's extra cold today, but it's really cool. Hey there.
Hello. How are you today?
It's cold today. This is like the coldest day it's been in a long time.
Yeah, it's pretty cold out. Gotta make sure you got something to do to stay warm.
So what are you making today?
Today I'm working on a pair of tongs, a pair of box tongs. They'll be a lot like these, only bigger. And
Are you selling them in here too? Can you order, like, if somebody wanted them, could they order them?
we don't usually make these for the gift shop, but
I mean, if someone had a special request that or
yeah,
whatever.
We do the occasional request, or we get a commission for something once in a while.
Okay, cool.
But yeah, we're going to be working with a lot of this flat bar because we're going to be making trivets. So
Oh, cool.
you have to turn this flat bar into a circle and weld it together, and then put some legs on it. And
I get you.
if you have a low fire, you can put
No,
a
no.
lid on it.
I watched that. What's that guy? Townsend and Son, I think it is.
Uh-huh.
And they do all the colonial stuff and do all that, and it's a really it's a cool show.
Yeah.
He dresses up, and but he built his own like a studio thing,
Right.
and he has stuff. They had their own gift shop and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's Townsend and Sons. But anyway.
Okay, yeah. And so, we're outfitting our colonial kitchen. So we have to make.
Oh yeah. You guys are working on that project with the and you got your water wheel. You got your water wheel and stuff working.
What's going on here?
Yeah.
And we have a whole bunch of things to make for the kitchen. And so, of course, sometimes the first one you make is not so good. So you gotta
Yeah.
make several and then just pick the best one.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. Well,
And so what I'm doing on these are drawing out the reins. Sometimes people will, I'll show you an example here. A lot of times what guys will do, instead of taking this large piece and drawing it out and making it smaller for the, we call them reins or the handles, they'll cut them here and they'll weld this on.
okay.
But I decided, since it's cold today, that I need to have something to do to warm me up. So
Yeah, I get you.
all needs out, we'll certainly do that. So
All right.
when somebody says something was long drawn out, that's where it comes from, blacksmithing.
And what was your name
My name is Bo.
again?
Bo.
Bo. Okay, Bo. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Oh, that's all right. I'm bad with names too. Unless it's a name that somebody else I know has.
I get you.
Already in the file.
Yeah, I get you. All right, well, I'll let you get back, and I'm going to go for a walk. And thanks for chatting. And I'm going to get this on YouTube, and we'll see what happens and whatever. Because I don't have any music in the background or anything. This is just a straight up, hey, here's Bo, blacksmith shop, and making tongs or whatnot. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you when I see you.
Thanks for stopping in. Have a good day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.